So here we come again. I have put a noise generator into the red box. So should I open it? It's working now, but I'll turn it off. Disconnect. Open it. Don't explode, please. There, in the right corner, there, backside. Do you see the two Vima condis, Vima capacitors, with the two small transistors there backside in the right corner? So that is the noise generator, and with the orange cable it is coming at the 555 timer IC's fifth pin. The fifth pin is the control voltage pin. Control voltage pin. With that pin you can stabilize the output voltage, so the PWM signal, it's a feedback pin, other side. And I have put at that the noise generator, which is generating us about 450 millivolts, 430 millivolts peak to peak noise, radio frequency and sound frequency noise. So I have to change the angle, and with the changed angle the LED cannot work on the phone. I don't know why. Ask Samsung. So I turn it on again. This is without any they are in series, 12 volt. This is 55 and those are 35 watts in series, 12 volt halogen lamps. So our input is about 12 volt car batteries, and should be a fucking DC booster, but let's turn it on. Please magic smoke, don't come out. Okay. Well, so that voltage coming out is, sorry for the contact failure, it's 14 volts, 14.2 volts, and it's consuming 4 amps, 4.5, it's OK, it's linear. I have put them in series, you know, the digital and the analog. And that is the sign now with the noise generator on the fifth pin of 555 timer IC. But when I put it more up, so 4.5 amps on 14 volts with so by 14 volts output, I am measuring the 4.5 amps on the input side of the DC booster. It's fucking inefficient, because if you use the 555 timer as so in a DC booster circuit, you have to know when you are controlling the PWM signal. So the width of the pulse, the frequency on the 555 timer IC will be never fucking stabilized. I saw one video in YouTube where in this video a man made a version of stabilized frequency on stabilized frequency with the 555 timer IC, and I have copied this circuit, but by me never worked. Maybe twice or 3 times I have tried that same circuit, and by me never worked. So I cannot get this version of 555 timer PWM circuit with a stable frequency. So now I have a noise generator inside. That is the modification, but yes, you can see the efficiency. The efficiency is really a fucking shit. On 12 volt we have 2 amps, so I turn it down again. 2 amps, you see, 12 volt income and 2 amps on, so it's directly via the Schottky diode, it's directly the battery without any signal on the MOSFET. Yeah, it's an IGBT. It's not MOSFET, it's IGBT. So it's horror. But when I try to adjust it, so signal, slowly. It's the feedback signal going at the 5th pin of 555 timer IC. Like that you can stabilize the output voltage. But as I said, you can see it now, it's about 30 kilohertz. But when I try to turn it up, the output voltage, it becomes horror. Now we are on 15 volts and 5 amps. It should be 30 volt now, so it's 50% of efficiency. And the IGBT transistor, so the isolated gate bipolar transistor, it's getting fucking hot now. And the noise you can not see with by eyes. It's fast moving, okay, but it's impossible to by 90. Do you see? It's 90 kilohertz now. It changed the. So normally all the coils need to work at stable frequency, yes? Stable frequency. There, this. Now, okay. Turn it off. Oh, so not easy. Not easy. But if you get an where is it? Yeah, I can show it to you. If you turn off the oscillograph. Thanks. This too. But if you put the noise generator at TL494 like here. This is a TL494. TL494. Oh, wait, just a moment. It is made also for DC boost. Not easy, but you can, instead of a stable frequency, resonance frequency, so instead of resonance frequency we can use around resonance frequency, but not exact, with the noise generator, you know, with the noise generator. If you play with resonance frequency instead of fixing that, then you can get a better efficiency. So some BLDC motor drivers are using that driver technology. By BLDC motors, some controllers are using drivers this method, noise, instead of fixed resonance frequency for the coils of the BLDC motor. They are using noise. So if you check my older videos, you can see a plan, an idea of me. I try to build a Tesla coil system, a twin tower Tesla coil system, to be able harvest free energy from atmospheric electromagnetic fields. This system is by my friend, because the police it's horror in Vienna. It's a nightmare, fucking nightmare to be homeless, you know. And at the same time to try to make something something good, you know, for the future, something. No fucking way. Because people hate Jesus. Most of people hate Jesus. Most of people have no God. Most of the people really bullshit, and those bullshit people want to pull you down into the fucking hell. They don't let you just living in peace. No fucking way. Say that's Jesus. Please stop the fucking hell. Save our souls. Peace for all the creations. Peace for all the creations.